Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have a new wig to share with you. Now this one, OMGG, I am so excited to share this one with you because I have been on a mission to find the most perfect box braided wig ever, and girl, I think I found it. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. Alright girl, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. So this is the wig right here. It's from a brand called Neat and Sleek. Now I just love how neat and sleek this storing bag is. It is so beautiful. I love the container, okay? I love all of its satiny goodness. But let's go ahead and get right into it, girl. It just looks so luxe. Even the font. It just looks so neat and sleek. The font is neat and sleek. But let's go ahead and get into the unit. Now I have this in a medium cap size. This is in the color 1B. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to have all their information down below in the description box, so you don't want to skip over it. That's where all the good stuff is going to be listed for you. This is just the info card, and this is waist length. Yes, girl, she's waist length. I'm just gonna sit that right there, okay? Neat and sleek, right there. Let's go ahead and get into the unit. Now, upon looking at it, girl, this wig is given perfection. Let me show you. Look at this. It's given scalp. It's given black girl magic. Now you do have this braid here that you're going to unravel, okay, to decide whether or not you want some baby hair action along the perimeter of your hairline. I really love that they include that option to customize yourself some baby hairs. But look at those braids. Look how neat they are. Girl, these are so nice, so neat. And they almost give you that look of being water dipped. You know what I mean? Like they've been dipped in that hot boiling water in that tea kettle. These are just so cute. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and check out the cap construction. Okay, so we do have temple combs. We have one at the back, and we do have an adjustable elastic band inside, okay? I feel like I should go ahead and put it on the last because I like my wig to be super secure because I don't use much glue. I want to wear this as kind of a glueless and only gel down the baby hairs. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and cut the lace off the unit, and as you see, you have lace all around. So this is one of those wigs that you can even wear up into a high bun or a ponytail if you want. You just have to tack it down in the back with your glue or your gel. I would suggest glue if you're gonna wear it up in a high ponytail, but you definitely get that option with this. Whereas some wig companies, they don't give you that lace option in the back. And if they do, it's in a weird way that you just can't wear it up. You don't have the option to stick down the lace, if that makes sense. It's just more like wefty, you know what I mean? So with this, I am loving the fact that we have the option. I'm just cutting the lace. I like to do this prior to putting it on my head. For me, it's just a lot easier. And then should I need to adjust it, I'll cut more as I put it on, but this is so far what we've done. I'm just carefully cutting it as not to rip or damage the lace. I like to give myself some wiggle room. I don't like to cut it too close. But I don't necessarily like it straight across either, if that makes any sense. All right, we're getting box braid wigs and braided wigs in general have come such a long way from how they looked when they first started releasing these wigs. Now, I haven't cut the lace off in the back yet. Let me show you what I've done so far. All right, let's go ahead and try it on. All right, this medium cap, all right, it's really nice. It's fitting like it's supposed to fit, okay? But you know what I think should be done too with box braid wigs that I think would be beneficial for us? If sometimes they would create some that have baby hairs in the back. That would be most helpful as it pertains to wearing your unit up into an updo. But look at this. Oh, girl, this is the perfect fit. And I love how it's just given. It's given scalp. But my wig cap is given ashy scalp right now because my wig cap is super light. I think I'm gonna go in with a brown one. But with this cap though, you get the idea. But girl, this wig is beautiful. This by far, this, girl, this has to be the most comfortable one I've worn so far that just fits. Like, it goes over my edges perfectly. If I wanted to glue this down, I definitely could. OMGG. I did. I cut that just right to go behind the ear. This is perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and get this ready with my freeze spray and my Got2b gel, because I'm going to go ahead and unravel the braid, because y'all know I'm a baby hairs girl. I like baby hairs, okay? I just do. If you don't, that's your business. You can go ahead and cut around this. You can unravel it, pluck it. I would suggest plucking the hairs out as opposed to cutting them. That's just me though, but you do what you like. But girl, this wig is everything. Let me go ahead and get this ready. I'm gonna start with unbraiding the little cornrow here. Okay. But this is my first one that I've gotten that came like this. So I'm super excited. Can't wait to rock it. I cannot wait. Girl. Okay, so I did decide to use my Bold Hold Active around the front to tack it down. I feel like that'll be better for me today, as I am gonna wear it to work and keep it on all day. So I'm just letting my glue get a little tacky. Then we're gonna put her in place. I'm so excited, and I did cut my baby hairs. I didn't cut them too short because I didn't want to mess them up. I'd rather them be longer than too short. Alright, so now that I have it placed, now we can style the baby heels. Okay, but it's looking good. Looks good, feels good. All right, so I'm gonna just tie it down for a little while. Just let this marinate and let it get really stuck, and I'll be right back. I got a good feeling about this. I am in love with this unit. All right, guys, I am back and I am loving it. I think it is super cute. Yeah, this has to be the best box braid wig that I have encountered so far. It's giving, girl, nothing but scalp. I am absolutely loving it, and I love the fact that it has lace all around, so you have the option to wear this totally up into a high bun, one ponytail, whatever you like. Now, I'm not skilled enough to gel it down or glue it down all around. I would most definitely need help with that. So I can't demonstrate that, but just know that you definitely can. But let me show you as best as I can. But as you see, it has lace all around. So if you wanted to wear it up, you could definitely do that. Like I said, the best box braid wig I have encountered. Let me show you the back of this unit. So nice. Look at those ends. Don't they look like they were just dipped? So nice. And again, this is waist length. It's giving vacation vibes. It's giving black girl in her braids. It's just giving everything it's supposed to give. It's giving waist length. Girl, it's giving black girl magic with the baby hairs. It's just nice. It's just an overall beautiful, beautiful unit. I love the parts in it. It looks like I have like diamond or triangle like parts. So nice. But make sure you check out that description box to get yourself hooked up with one of these. Well, girl, this one is by far, I'm serious, my favorite one. It's not giving bulk. It doesn't look like, you know, it's got just like braids just primarily piled up like on the sides, giving it that, I don't know, you know what I mean, that real bulky look, screaming wig. It's just not giving that. It's not giving that. It's giving scalp. It's giving box braids. It's just giving everything it's supposed to give, girl. I am loving it, and I love how versatile it is. You don't see any wefts or patches of the hair where you would with these other wigs. Like from any angle you pull this up, you don't have to worry about camouflaging anything. Like, it just works. Look at this, girl. It's giving. It is giving. Look at this. Nothing suspect about this unit. This unit is definitely neat and sleek, girl. Everything. Nothing but scalp. Nothing but scalp. And I did take off the beige stocking cap. I think I just left it in the bathroom. I'm just wearing nothing but the black stocking cap under it. And it's just giving. This is everything. Look at this. This is scalp realness. Definitely my favorite. Definitely well worth the purchase. Look at those ends. Girl, this is everything. Beautiful. Yes, and the baby hairs, girl. I'm just touching up my makeup where the gel is on my skin, but girl, I am loving this unit. Let me know what you think of today's unit. You just have to agree. Don't you think this is the best one yet on my channel? This has to be the best one yet. Neat and Sleek really hit the nail on the head when they did this one. This is what we need. This is what the girls need who don't want to sit in the chair for hours or just commit to weeks with a style when we can just take this off whenever we feel like it. Ourselves, just take it off. Restyle it. Just do whatever you want with it. I'm just in love. I am in love with this unit. So gorgeous. Again, all the information is down below in that description box, so don't skip over it. You definitely want to get your hands on this box braided wig for the summer, even going into the fall and winter. I feel like braids are just one of those timeless styles. You can just wear braids year round and just be gorgeous. Gorgeous in your braids. But I am in love. Let me know what you think of today's unit. You already know how I feel. I'm just all about it. I'm encouraging you to check them out. Give them a try. Yes, girl. The bomb. So comfortable. Not as heavy. I mean, it definitely has a little weight to it. As it would, because it is like box braids. You know, braids are just gonna come automatically with a little weight, but it's nothing cumbersome on the head. It's not going to aggravate you. You're not going to feel like you're wearing like a weight on your head. It's not a noticeable heavy, okay, so to speak. Someone asked me that, which was a great question, by the way. But no, this one will not give you a headache or make you feel like you're just, you know, wearing something super heavy on your shoulders, girl. This one is just super cute. So versatile. I am so in love with this unit, girl. Words can't express. But girl, that is it for me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye. And don't forget to check out that description box, okay? And make sure you're following Neat and Sleek on Instagram, and follow me too at Misha Model. That is my main page. Follow me there. Bye.